Hey everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, Jack and Larry still in Lake Jackson, and I've been really quiet across social media because I feel like crap. I don't know, it's because the season's changing, just the sinuses have been killing me, so this is going to be a nice, short, and quick one, man. This is something that I grew up on. Like, this is something Mom was a hardcore fan of, or still is. Had a cousin, they'd come over and they would make this just to hang out and eat with each other. And it's like a quick snack, it's super easy. I don't know how healthy it is. It just depends on how many people like salt and vinegar chips, too, I guess. Yeah, this is different. I've never heard of anybody else actually doing this, but everybody I've shown it and they've tried it, they like it. So, yeah, let's get into it. Nice, super simple one. I'll see you on the other side.
All right, so this looks like a lot of stuff, but there's only like 3 ingredients. So you're going to need cucumbers, fresher is better. You can use some of the old ones that are starting to get squishy at the end, that's fine. Just make sure they don't have any, fungal growth on them or anything. Garlic powder is something I always use. Garlic salt was given as a kid, but I don't carry salt. This is the only thing I have with salt for like baking, so you can use both of those. And then vinegar. Now the go-to when we were a kid was the white vinegar because we had it around because we were broke. That's all we had. I am a personal fan of the apple cider vinegar for this stuff, or the red or white wine, because it makes me sound fancy when I put that on my cucumbers when I'm broke and hungry. Apparently this is a good diet food too. Who knows? But, so we're probably going to just use the white vinegar because that's what we went through before. That's what Mom always uses. So, let's get into this. First things first, wash your vegetables, right? Even if you've had them for a while, especially cucumbers, they tend to use that waxy crap on the outside of them. Use nice warm water. Sometimes people will soak them to get the stuff off of. Whatever. Now, remember, you want a cucumber per person, so use a bowl that'll hold however much you need. Regular size bowl is good enough for one person, you're fine. Get you a decently sharp knife. It doesn't have to be great. This isn't from Andy, so no shout out for Andy today, so I feel bad. The butt end of these are the ones with the little stem on it I tend to get rid of. The other one, always eat the butt. So just throw that in there when it gets there, or set it aside. It just depends on how you feel about eating butts. You want to cut these about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch wide. Be careful with your fingers here. I lucked out in my chopper here is a little dull, so don't have to worry about it too much, but please be careful when you're using this. Just take these, cut them up. Like if you want thicker stuff, cut it thicker. You want it thinner, that's fine. Super thin sliced, I can see that. That'd be great. It'd be great for like a garnish or something. But then get your white vinegar or whatever vinegar you're going to use, and you want to put about 1/8, or even less than that. Less than, I guess, half of 1/8 of a cup, so 1/16 of a cup of that in there. You just want to put a little in it. My cousin always made it and just drown them. So again, it's really just how much vinegar you really want to use. Get you some the garlic powder, garlic salt. Put it on top to taste. I tend to put a lot because I like garlic, and I'm not a fan of just straight cucumbers, so get it in there, give it a nice toss. Just a pinch of salt, again, to taste. Anything you want to put in this, really. Like, I've seen somebody, instead of using actual salt, use like seasoned salt, like some, Tony's, whatever, made it a little spicy, which is great. Turns a little red, so you better know what you're eating when you get into it. Then I like to put in black pepper on mine and a little bit of dill, because basically I'm just eating a raw pickle at this point. Just, again, season it with whatever you want to. I try to lay off the salt just because I try to be healthy, and I'm old. When I eat a lot of salt, I can feel my pulse in my brain, so stay away from the salt. A little bit of dill, it makes an excellent picture for YouTube, and B, it tastes good when you put it on here. And that's it. Sit down, eat this with a fork. You can use it as just a full diet snack meal kind of thing. Like, you don't want to just use this as your only meal of the day, but it's well under our budget. You can do this for like a week every day. You can do this for meal prep. Just set it up. It's going to be almost quick pickling it if you set it up for a week and just set it in there. But it's supposed to be super healthy, super good for like diets. I don't know if it's healthy, but it's supposed to be good for when you're dieting. The vinegar is supposed to break down fats or whatever, according to Wikipedia. Who knows? But yeah, try this one out if you haven't, or tell me how you guys do.
And there you have it, folks. I don't know how you call it. Just raw pickles. That's basically what it is. But this is amazing. It's a neat little snack. Again, you better like vinegar. You better like cucumbers, because that's what you got. If y'all do this, y'all ever tried this? Y'all ever tried it and done a little different? I was thinking about putting a little bit of like red onion or something in it. But if y'all do it differently, let us know. If you've never heard of this, let me know. If you do it all the time and it's a family secret and our family just came late, let us know. Put it down in the comments. That's what they're there for. And I will see y'all later. You can catch us over on social media. We're at Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. We're at all 3 of those at Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us at Instagram at Live Between. I had to shorten it over there for some reason. And you can find me over on what's it called? TikTok. I've been trying to do some little videos over there, though I've been quiet a few days because, again, sinuses feel like hammered ass. So I apologize. You can catch us back here on Tuesdays and Fridays. We try to have something up every week. Just everything under $10, snacky stuff, meal prep stuff, whatever. You got a recipe or something you want us to try? Let us know. Please let us know. That would be just too cool. And I'd love to tag you guys in and say, hey, we made this thing because you told me about it. That'll be awesome. And I'll see y'all next time, man. The intro and outro is actually longer than the actual recipe here. Ow. I'll see y'all next time. Be safe. Whew.